Great. How's your day going so far? So far, so good.
So far, so good. Yeah,
Good
it's
to hear
kind of
that.
busy day. Yeah,
Great. And how's the weather today?
weather is hot here in California.
Ah,
It's
okay, okay, okay.
really
Great.
hot.
Lovely, lovely. Not a problem with that. Yes, I have been. You are in California. Which part in California you are?
Southern California, close to San Diego.
Oh, you are close to San Diego. And how far Los Angeles from there?
Los Angeles is about 2 hour drive for me.
Ah, okay, okay. No, I was planning to go there. One of my friends stays, so he moved to Los Angeles. So he was asking me to join over there for him for some weekends. So I was
Yeah.
planning to go there.
Oh, I see. I see.
So that's
Los
why.
Angeles, where? Where about?
He is nearby city center in Los Angeles.
Oh, okay, okay. Close to downtown. Okay.
Yep.
All right.
So now, firstly, you have enrolled with us in the month of March, I guess, right? For your data
Yes.
science program.
Yeah.
And after that, today is like June, 3 months. And like, I guess you got some interviews call and you got one interview as well from the employer end, right? Where the vendor round is already completed and now the client round is pending for you, I guess, right? Which I have
So,
got the update from the my
yeah.
reporting person.
Yeah, just to clarify, the data science course, right? So though I got enrolled in March, right? I had so
Yep.
many other issues, so I
Yeah.
couldn't follow it up properly. So I restarted again a few weeks
Yeah.
back, right?
Yeah.
And but this particular job interview was for SAP, for
Yes.
my
Yes. Correct.
but
Correct. The
nothing to do
reason
with data science. Yeah,
Yes, that is nothing to do with data science and AI. The reason behind it, because as you was enrolled in the month of March, but he was having some difficulties to continue on that moment. That is
yeah,
why the time has been taken. And on that moment, when we got the placement drive, so we have to start the placement drive for our candidates anyhow within the 3 months. Okay, so that is the
uh-huh.
reason we have assigned you these interviews for now. Because once you will be ready by the time frame for you for the job roles of a data science and AI, we will be assigning you your interviews and you will be having some more experience with you on SAP as well. So that will be helping you in that way. Okay. For that
Yeah.
only, we are just helping, guiding and assisting our candidates on that. Okay. So my first question to you, Mr. Abdul, so far, like, how was your overall onboarding and training experience with Sky State so far on data science program for you? Like when you started again after that.
Yeah, that was okay. It's okay, but yeah, it's managing the time is the challenge for me, because a lot of things going on around with
Yeah,
my
correct, correct.
family and life and everything else, and also, yeah, it's okay. The onboarding process is fine, and the instructors are good, Yeah.
That's really good. And I believe the instructors are interactive. They interact with you properly and they brief you each and everything in a better manner so that you can understand and decode the codes for you as well, I guess, right?
Yes, yes, yeah.
Wonderful, wonderful. And about the interview, the first interview which was assigned to you, it was for the SAP, right? I can agree. And in that, you had a vendor round. So in the vendor round, what are the obstacles or what are the issues like you face? Like, did you face any kind of issue or obstacle when you
No,
went through
no,
the vendor round?
no issue whatsoever. And so he explained what their current environment is, what skill set they're looking for, and I went through pretty much everything with him. And uh, so in particular area, right? So I really didn't focus so much on preparation side for that particular product itself,
Mm-hmm.
right? Because SAP has so many products, but
Yeah.
this particular product, I have really worked on it because that's a recommended way of implementing it. Because when I used to work at SAP,
Mm-hmm.
I developed that product deployment procedure. That's what SAP is using. Same procedure they are using to deploy in their ECS. It's called the Enterprise Cloud Environment. It's called ECS. That's for uh, non-DO regular commercial customers, and then they have uh, another environment. It's called a very secure environment for DoD and
Yes,
uh,
DoD.
DoD and federal customers, right?
Yep, yep.
So I was instrumental in installing and testing this product in
Mm-hmm.
those environments, before we deploy to customer environments. So I don't think I explained that to him, but I have the complete understanding of the architecture of that product and how it can be deployed. And there are various options available.
Mm-hmm.
And he didn't tell me, most likely this is a commercial customer. So for commercial customers, there's a standard deployment procedure for that and
Yeah,
a SAP
correct.
model. And uh, I didn't go into
In deep.
details on that, but he said when we schedule with the customer, then we can go on the details and I will be prepared for that. But nothing happened after that. So
Yeah,
I have
yes.
no hope. I have no hope that it will come back.
Mm-hmm.
Uh, and I have lined up with another job, actually, very good paying job.
Ah, that's really good. That's really good to hear that. And what one thing that you like most about the program, and the one thing which you will be recommending us that we could improve?
Uh, Yeah, the basically the what I went through with the job interview, it's similar to any other recruitment firm, right?
Mm-hmm.
Because
Yep.
I work with all the recruiting companies, right? So they line up the interview, and normally, you get the feedback from the previous interviewers, and so they provide some input, right? What the customer is expecting and all that,
Yeah,
but.
correct.
Yeah. So, uh, yeah, in specific, I cannot talk specific about Sky State at the moment because I do not have that much experience at the moment with the recruitment process and all that.
Got you, got you, got you. And what was your situation before joining Sky States, and what made you to decide to enroll in this program with us?
Because this is a set of skill set, this is a complementary skill set I was looking for because these are not my primary skills, right? I've been doing SAP technical consulting work for last 28 years, so that's my area of expertise. But AI came into the picture, and so I had to upskill the AI skills,
Mm-hmm.
and just I need to get a head start on that.
Got you, got you. And looking back to your first month when you started with us, comparing to that and today, uh, the skills and the confidence that you have already with that, what you have learned from our end with that, how would you gain the confidence? What skills or confidence you have gained that help you to reach the interview stage? Now you think like where you will be seeing yourself in a better position for you as a data science and AI expert. So if you need to compare from your first month till now, I do understand that so far you haven't taken that much of classes, but so far you have taken some of the classes, and you, I believe, with the work experience you have with you, Mr. Abdul, you do understand the quality, right?
Hmm.
So
Yeah,
related to that,
yeah,
I'm asking to you.
yeah. I mean, any entry level positions I can attempt, right?
Hmm.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So like
So,
there's a growth in your confidence after starting this one, right?
of course, yeah, 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 yeah.
Great, great, great. And there are a lot of candidates who hesitate to start in data science and AI domain because they think that the getting a job is a difficult part in that. What message would you will be giving to the future students if they will be coming towards Sky States?
Um, Yeah, I mean it's the challenge, right? So whatever the market demands right now is in mainly it's in AI space, right? And also they're learning the skills for that and position yourself ahead of the game. It's actually already the it's very fast moving
Correct. It
environment.
is. It is.
Yeah, so you need to position yourself to be relevant in a couple of years.
That's
Otherwise,
really
you
good.
will have no jobs or no career. Yeah,
Definitely, definitely. It is true, because see, an organization can help you to get into the door, but before that, getting into the door, the organization will be preparing you. But at the same time, we need those efforts from the candidate end as well. If we are putting our 100% and the candidate is not putting their 100%, so that track will not gonna be fulfilled and not gonna conclude it at a certain point, right? For
exactly,
that we
exactly.
need the both side understanding and both side, and that is why in the middle of sometimes we take these sessions with our candidates, so that we
Yeah,
understand where we are lagging and what we can improve for our candidates, because
yeah,
eventually if our candidate is happy, we are happy. That
right.
is our
Yeah,
motto, and to be very honest, that is my monopoly. Is very simple with my candidates, that I always put my candidates on a priority, and I always want the result should be coming from my candidates, and that is the reason that I personally, if I'd say, uh, I'm assigning right now like around 10 candidates at this very moment. Okay. And in these 10 candidates, seven are continuously on the placement drive where the interviews are continuously going for them. And you are also
okay,
in them. Okay. So I
okay.
know how, because I always put my candidate on the priority. I push my candidates, ki, hey, do this, do that. This will help you, because I am working in this industry for more than 10 years now. So I know
Yeah,
how the market behaves, how the market goes, how the market trends. And AI,
yeah,
it's a
yeah,
innovative, it is demanding. In every industry, the AI is implementing. Now, if you
yeah.
see, every role employer is looking with the AI focus role. Why?
Yes.
Because it
Yeah,
saves time,
it saves time. Yeah, yeah,
and the results and outcomes are very good, right?
yeah. Of course.
So
Yeah,
that is the only reason this session has been conducted with you. So that we can understand how your interview went, the first interview which was assigned from our end for you. Okay, in that already you are in the process. Okay, I'll be checking on
yeah,
it, because sometimes it take time from the client end. Okay, once we got
yeah.
the feedback complete, we'll be updating accordingly to you, and accordingly to that we will be going further for you. Okay. And along
All
with
right.
that, we are submitting a profile for different employers as well. Okay, once we
Uh-huh.
got the positive feedback from their end, we'll start your rest of the parts for you. Okay,
All right. Yes. Yeah.
great.
Thank you.
So, one last question from my end. If you need to give some feedback for me, being your relationship manager and a hiring mentor, and for the organization, what will be your words that where I can improve myself and my team as well on helping the candidates? Or was I helpful for you?
Yes, you're very. I mean, the responsive, right, for any request coming in, and you take care of the request, and you follow up, right,
Yes,
and
we do.
yeah, and also, I would recommend like regular sessions, like every 2, 3 weeks, just have a casual conversation, with the candidate, just how things are going, because always we have challenges,
Yes.
and that would help to overcome those hurdles, Yeah,
Definitely, will do that, sir. Thanks for
yeah,
your valuable feedback, and I'll be working on it, and I'll be trying to improve this feedback which you have provided to me to implement in my work profession, so that can I can help more candidates to get productive as like you are.
yeah.
Thank you for giving me your time, Mr. Nizamuddin. It was pleasure talking to you, and hopefully I will
Same
be
here.
getting back to you with a very good news for you. Okay, soon.
Right. Yeah, thank you very much, Des.
Not
Appreciate
a
that.
problem, Mr. Abdul. Thanks for giving me your time. Take care.